talk to us a second.
Which I'm not allowed to talk to scissors with.
No, that's not going to work, is it? Haven't we got any better scissors than this? You haven't got a Stanley knife, have you, Steve?
Yeah.
Oh, let's borrow your Stanley knife. Remind me not to ask you to fix any wedding dresses.
What wedding dresses?
Look at the size of that needle. Right, are we ready? Which way am I going? Let me put some of these. Oh, I've dropped it now. Let me put some of these on top of here. It's a great view up here. I feel like I'm ready for gallows. Now I can't get to my nails in my hammer because I've left them on that wall there. Right, I've got my nails. I'm alright, I can get them.
You got them.
Now we'll get one at your side. Okay. Right, are you gonna spread it for me? So what do you think of my handiwork?
Our handiwork.
Ah, yeah, you helped me a little bit, I suppose.
I think we've done a good job.
Doesn't look bad, does it?
And it's finished.
Don't show 'em from that side.
Why?
It's not finished.
It's not finished. Yeah, I like the blue.
So we've gone blue instead of green, haven't we?
We have.
Look at the sun there glinting through. I think this is actually give you more protection from the light than the green does. I don't know why. Well, that's another job done, isn't it?
Yep.
This is just the start, you know.
Plenty more jobs to do.
Just the start, this.
We've got that floor to clean.
We're going to get rid of these chairs.
Eventually we'll get some new.
We've painted them once, haven't we? And
We.
They've gone... Yeah.
We. The royal we. Me?
Did you paint them?
I painted them.
And that were how many years ago is it you painted them?
Oh, it's about 2 years ago, I think now.
2 years ago.
But they're rusty.
Look, they're rusty already. I don't know.
So, yeah.
We've got a nice view today. It's a lovely day. Look at that blue sky. La Jolla in development. Well, they are working today. I can see them in the distance there. You see up to Casada. Very tasty. Very nice indeed. And just the eggs. It's unusual.
And it's got crab bits in it.
Unusual, isn't it? Because it's warm.
It's really nice, really tasty.
Beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Yeah. That was lovely, that. Oh,
Yes, me, thank you.
heck.
Thank you.
Nice.
And the tenderloin.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, looks good. So, yeah, this is the main course.
I'm intrigued as to what that is. It like ham?
Let's have a look. It looks like a, yeah, looks like there's some, let's have a look and see what that is. Yeah. Oh, that sauce is so tasty. I think we'll be coming here again. You can see by the way it's been prepared that they really take a pride in what they do. Very, very nice. Yeah, thank you. Piece of ham, green peppers, red peppers, beautiful sauce, sandwiched in two massive pieces of pork loin. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, coffee. Yeah. 2 coffees, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
White coffee?
Yeah, egg, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ta.
And we had a drink.
Yeah, and we got a shot at the end, didn't we?
We got a shot at the end.
Because we didn't give a tip, so the shot was. Hey! No, I wasn't joking.
No, we had a coffee. We both had a coffee. I think we could have had a dessert,
Yeah,
but we had a coffee.
we had a coffee. Yeah, we had a coffee, and then he came with a bill, and he gave us a nice shot. And what are you laughing at?
He shot us.
He shot us, yeah.
We
Was
were impressed.
very, very good. I was impressed.
We were impressed.
And for €10, and the bill came, I thought it's going to be more than €10,
Yeah.
and it wasn't.
20 euros for
for
both
two
of us.
yeah. And I just couldn't help myself. I threw 50 centimes there on the plate as a tip.
You put more than that,
I did a little bit, yeah. But
which means it was good if he leaves a tip. But
Yeah.
we enjoyed it.
really enjoyed
Really
it.
enjoyed
So, on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
It's free to subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3,
3,
2, 1.
Ping!
Adios.